The dash camera features a 170-degree wide-angle lens paired with a supercapacitor battery, ensuring its durability and effective recording across diverse conditions. Included accessories such as a power cable, charging socket, and a memory card slot significantly enhance the camera's usability and functionality. To install the camera, place it at the rearview mirror and route the cables through the vehicle's interior, ensuring a tidy appearance. Once connected to Wi-Fi, users must enter the password, a critical step for unlocking the full range of camera features and facilitating a smooth setup. The camera provides various recording settings, allowing users to adjust video resolution and sound quality, with options for both 4K and HD to match specific needs. Users can monitor the download times for their recordings, which differ based on the camera model, helping them manage video transfers more effectively. The video illustrates that maintaining a 1 to 2 meter gap ensures clear visibility of vehicles in urban settings, with proper lighting playing a pivotal role in enhancing clarity. While challenges such as reflections from the Android system can impact visibility, overall clarity remains commendable. The video also discusses strategies to minimize distractions while driving. With wide-angle features of 170 and 160 degrees, the camera delivers a comprehensive view of the surroundings, crucial for identifying nearby vehicles and potential obstacles. The discussion on dual dash cameras reveals their advantages in providing clarity for both front and rear views, essential for recognizing surrounding vehicles and enhancing overall driving safety. Highlighting the importance of clear visuals, especially during varying light conditions like dawn and dusk, aids in identifying crucial details like license plates. Dash cameras serve as critical evidence in accidents, capturing location and timing, which aids significantly in legal proceedings, fostering safer driving habits. The camera excels in delivering excellent HD quality, making it perfect for capturing stunning landscapes during travels and enhancing the overall road trip experience. Opting to purchase the camera from Flipkart proved wise, given its credible performance. Exploring additional camera options may also yield satisfactory outcomes. Integrating an extra wiring kit allows for the addition of parking sensors, significantly boosting vehicle safety by recording disturbances such as bumps or collisions.